Alright guys, thank you for clicking on today's video. If you're not used to my videos, don't worry, I don't do no BS intro, nothing that's gonna waste your time. I just want to get straight to the point. And today's point is why these garage doors can totally change your Turo business, your car rental business, your peer-to-peer car sharing business. I'm gonna talk about how these garages can transform and make your earnings so much better. So having one centralized space like these garages is great for your business. It allows for quick access to all your different cars, quick access to cleaning, and if you have an employee, they come here as a home base. You can store all your cars here. You're not parking them across the street at different places. You don't have to worry about trying to find a parking spot at the airport across the street. All your cars can be parked and managed right at this spot. And what that allows is streamlined operations. Everything's neat, consolidated, and organized. Not to mention, a lot of the times what you have to worry about renting out so many cars is there's so many more potentials for break-ins, damages, and burglaries. Here, you have security. So your cars are all parked. They're all going to be locked up. You're going to have no problems with them. A big factor of what I just said there is peace of mind. You want peace of mind, especially in a stressful business where you're managing all these cars. The last thing you want to worry about is someone stealing a tire. I know hosts in Atlanta that constantly get their cars broken into because they're nice Escalades. They're big black vehicles that look super luxurious, and even the other cars, they get broken into. So having your cars in a garage or somewhere secure where there's a bunch of cameras, this building's still being built, but you get the point. Now, another factor that you guys want to think about is storing a vehicle in garages like these. When you take your pictures and you have a nice flag up on the wall in there and everything's super neat, you look so much more professional. You could even get a sign made online for $100 to put on the front that says, you know, Matt's Rentals or King's Rentals, whatever you want to call your business, but you could put it there, and the professional setting that brings enhances your business. And it can go way outside just Turo rentals, because eventually if you want to maximize your earnings, unfortunately you're going to have to step away from Turo, because Turo a lot of the times is taking 40 to 60% of what you earn. So having a professional setting where people can come into town, book your car, you have a little setup in there, it helps a ton. A way to get higher guest satisfaction on Turo is having great maintained clean vehicles. A lot of the times what I struggle with personally is going to clean my cars. I had to go to Delta Sonic Bays, which is a car wash near me. I have to always wait on people. I have to wait on people to clean my car. There's always a line. Something's broken. The vacuum there is not working. It's always a problem. And I got very, very, very sick of that. And you will too. When you have your own bay, first off, you learn how to do way more maintenance because you have the facility to do so. You slowly stack tools, you put a toolbox in there, and you can do everything on your own. What does doing everything on your own allow for? Well, it allows for maximized earnings because you're not paying someone 10 times the amount to do the things for you. Everything from cleaning to detailing, changing your oil, taking pictures, everything can be done in this building. And the biggest thing that these garages are gonna help you with is scaling. When you're at your house in your driveway, it's hard to scale to 5 cars. You might not think so now, but when you go to try to scale to 5 cars, you're gonna quickly run into space problems, backing cars in, backing cars out. Where are they parking? They're getting tickets for being in the street. It's hard to do that. So getting a space like this is the best thing for you. You can easily fit 4 cars inside of here, and it helps so much. Now let's talk about the price of this. This unit is currently being built right now, so I don't want to walk in the puddle to show you guys. There's not even a concrete floor in there. These spaces cost $1,100 a month where I am. Now, if you are in a populated city, I wouldn't recommend getting a garage in a populated city. It's most likely going to be 2 times the amount as if you were in the country areas or the suburbs. So find one outside of your city that's cheaper. For me, I live in Buffalo, New York. Nothing's really too expensive over here. $1,200 a month for this is literally what 1 car profits. So if I have 5 cars and 1 car is doing $1,200 a month, guys, this is an easy expense. And yes, you got to pay gas and your electric and your water, but that's not more than $300 extra a month too. So this will only maximize your profits. Not to mention, this is a space for you to go work. This is a space for you to go learn, be by yourself. When you say you have a Turo business, it's literally an online business you're running from your phone in your house. This makes everything official, and these can greatly benefit you. If you do want to grow your fleet, I would highly recommend going on a real estate website, finding something like this or the new builds. These are becoming so much more common. Everyone loves their own space. I'm actually supposed to be getting one in about a year from now, and I'm getting one for beyond renting out cars on Turo. I have a personal business that I like doing, which is restoring old cars as well, and that garage will help me a ton because currently I'm in my dad's garage. It's too crowded. There's no space. You have to pay for space in this world. This land is the most valuable thing you could have. This is yours to come in at any time of the day. You're not held to time regulations. You got to be out of here at this time. This is yours. You can put hours in at all times of the day. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in starting a car rental business, I applaud you. You're doing something on your own, and it can lead you to a financial freeway. It can lead you to that feeling of not feeling stressed, not being able to afford meals for yourself, maybe your kids, not being able to afford the bills. It's really, really good that you got your mind into the zone to click on this video because you want to start. Clicking on the video is the easiest part. Starting is the hard part. And what I like to do is help you guys. I had 3 people this week who I'm coaching coaching, and I've all helped them get their first car listed on Turo. Now, 2 of them got bookings. The other one didn't get a booking yet because he's taking it a little slower, which is okay. But what I like to do is help you get on as fast as possible. I like to get all your excuses, money, age, time, maybe it's something else. Usually it falls in one of those categories, and I like to help you find every single way around it. So if you want that handheld personnel, there's a link in the description. You can book a call with me. Chances are if you book a call with me, tell me your situation, I'm gonna give you my program for free. But if you just want the program, it's in the description and it will answer every single question that you have about this business. Guys, it's on you to do this. No one's holding your hand anymore. No one's gonna get you ahead. So you gotta commit to these decisions. And a lot of the times, that's what I find with people. They can't take the risk. They watch all the different videos. They're cooking ideas in their head, but they can't take the jump. They can't enact. Action is what is gonna take you further in life. And maybe this business fails for you. Maybe it doesn't work. Then you move on to the next one. But you at least started. Just start, okay? There's nothing to it but to do it, like everyone says. These will help you a ton, though, if you already have a Turo business.